In this class, we will study about Neotropical region. Neotropical region means the entire South American region as well as the entire Central American region. Then certain portion of North America, especially the southern Mexican lowlands. Then in addition, the southern Florida are also coming in the Neotropical region. Besides, the Caribbean islands are also part of the Neotropical region. That is the tropical regions of South America, the tropical region of North America, and the temperate region of South America are the different regions which come under the Neotropical realm. Now we will see the physical features of Neotropical realm. The Neotropical realm is mostly tropical in nature. The tropical climate is usually characterized by high temperature. That means in all seasons of the year, the temperature will be more than 18 degrees centigrade. Usually we can find only two seasons, a wet season or a rainy season and a dry season. Besides, there will be intense sunlight and the temperature remains relatively high throughout the year. Large portions of Neotropical region are occupied by Amazon jungle or Amazon rainforest. If you take the land area of Amazon rainforest, it is more than 1.5 times the size of India. So you can imagine how huge this land area is that. It is now in the geographical limits of 9 nations. Now the half of the remaining rainforests in the world are now present in Amazon rainforest. So far we know about 16,000 species of plants from Amazon rainforest region. The southern region of Neotropical realm is characterized by temperate climate. Three countries are coming in this temperate region. They are Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay. The climate of these regions have four well-defined seasons like summer, winter, autumn, and spring. The extreme southern part of Chile and Argentina are covered with permanent snow or ice. Coming to the flora of this area, they are characterized by coniferous species as well as broad-leaved tree species. The grasslands of South America are called savannas. Savannas are drier grasslands and are seen in countries like Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay. The western portion of these grasslands is characterized by a long stretch of desert called Atacama Desert. Another notable feature in the western portion is the presence of Andes Mountains. They are one of the longest mountain chains in the world. They extend 7,000 kilometers north to south, going through 7 countries. In addition to grasslands, large areas of desert and sub-desert areas are also present in Neotropical region. And there is a land bridge between North America and South America currently. But this land bridge came into existence only 2 to 3 million years ago. Before that, South America and North America are completely separated from each other. After the formation of this land bridge, around 2 or 3 million years ago, there is a great migration of animals between North America and South America. This migration is known by the name Great American Interchange. The Neotropical region is an important reserve of biodiversity on Earth. In addition to plants and animals, a lot of indigenous tribal people also live in South America. Currently, 32 million people speaking around 400 different languages live in South America. So there is a constant conflict between development of the nation and the rights of the indigenous people in these countries. And South America usually is a hotspot of these kind of conflicts There are four subregions in Neotropical realm. They are Chilean subregion, Brazilian subregion, Mexican subregion, West Indies or Andean subregion. The Chilean subregion is present in the west coast of South America. The Andes mountain ranges present in Bolivia, Peru, Argentina are part of the subregions. The second subregion is the Brazilian subregion. The tropical forests of South America, especially the Amazon, are part of this subregion. In addition, vast plains are also present in this subregion. Due to the presence of several major rivers like Amazon, this region is covered with a thick vegetation and it supports a rich diversity of plants and animals. The third subregion is the Mexican subregion, and this subregion is present north of Panama, and this region is characterized by rocky mountains and shows subtropical climate. The fourth one is the West Indies or Andean subregion, mainly formed of Caribbean islands, but the islands of Trinidad and Tobago are not included in this subregion, and these subregions are also characterized by mountains. The fauna of Neotropical region is characterized by high level of endemism. 31 families of birds present here are endemic. Similarly, 63 families of fishes are also endemic to this region. In addition to this, there is a high diversity of insect species in South America. Coming to the fish families, this region is mainly characterized by freshwater fishes. This may be due to the presence of major rivers like Amazon. Another notable feature among fishes is that absence of carps. Carp species are quite common in Asian countries. Some of the common fishes are characins, electric eels, catfishes, lepidopsiren, and garpikes. In the case of amphibians, 14 families of amphibians are present here. They are salamanders, pipa, buffo, and rana. Coming to reptiles, we have seen turtles, crocodiles, geckos, typhlops, coral snakes, and pit viper in South America. There is one poisonous lizard called Heloderma in the South American region. Around 67 families of birds are present in South America, out of which 25 are endemic to this region. That means 50% of the avian fauna in South America are endemic. And because of this fact, we call South America as a bird continent. Some interesting birds like Dynamis, rupicola, macaw are present in South American region. The smallest bird in the world called bee hummingbird that is present in Cuba of South American region. Now coming to the ostrich, it is represented by Rhea americana. Other common birds present in South America are herons, ibis, storks, ducks, hawks, owls, plover, and cuckoos. Even though there is a rich diversity of birds in South America, we can find a scarcity of songbirds in South American region. Finally, we will see the case of mammals. There are 32 families of mammals here, out of which 16 families are unique to South America. Some of the common mammals seen in South America are shrews, rabbits, squirrels, mice, dogs, bears, cats, and also deers. The family of camels are represented by 2 species of llama. Similarly, 3 species of tapir are seen here. Several species of monkeys like spider monkey, squirrel monkey, howlers, capuchin monkey, marmosets are also seen in South America. So, endemic mammals like armadillo, sloth, anteater, rodent called caviomorpha, disc-winged bats, and vampire bats are also seen in Neotropical region. The marsupials are represented by 2 families, that include common opossum and water opossum and also the opossum rat. So these are some of the common animals that are representing neotropical region.